I'll start the recording and share the screen.
Hello, sir. Is it sharing screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Uh, First one, we need to fetch the get all books. So this is the URL. So in this URL, we can able to get the all the ID of the books, list of the books. So if I send this one, I'm getting, yeah, this is the console output. Status code I got 200, and response format I got it in JSON format, and I got the list of books by using get method. And next thing is you gave to get the book ID. Means here I gave the uh, URL. So if I send this one, here I will get the first ID containing book 1. ID is by 1. Means here I'm getting only one response. And status code I got 200. And book ID I got this one. And next task you gave to one negative scenario we gave. So here I'm fetching the book ID by using 9999. So this is not present for this book ID. If I send this one, I'm getting 404. Means not found. See, no book with this book ID. So I'm getting 404 response status code.
Good. Well, that's really good. Thank you, Pavitra.
Yes, sir.
Any more doubts you guys have? Till the last week, we discussed a lot of things. API testing we had, till the variables, environments, collections, status codes. Any doubts you guys have? If not, let me share today's topic. Today's topic will be really interesting, guys. Try to write the notes. It's all about JSON handling and formatting. Just write from what is JSON. Okay. We'll see the JSON today. How do we read the JSON? How can we iterate through JSON? We'll see a few scripts, few handling, and also we'll create an order. A number of things we'll see it. Okay. Just write it down. So let me know when you're done. Write the basic structure. Okay. What exactly it means. And then you can have this. You don't have to have the post. Just write till the example. Basic JSON structure. And there's the types. You can write this one JSON formatting in Postman. What and all Postman supports, what formatting it is. Okay, just moving it here. Write the 7 point and 8 point also. Just write till this axis, okay? Don't write beyond that. Use visualizer, pure manual. You don't have to write this, okay? Just try it before this. Right? So this function we'll see in a second. Are you guys writing or is it little fast to understand? You want me to go a little slow? You don't have to write the 10th one. Write only till this point. Correct, Jason? Write the 11th point. Okay. Once you have done the dynamic one, create order. Okay, it's fine. Negative testing. Yes, go for negative testing. Negative testing and JSON schema. Okay, write this both and then we'll start our explanation. Explanation guys, just stay tuned. Ask so many doubts. Ask any doubts you want. Just try till this end, 16th point, and we are done with the writing part. Then we'll concentrate on the class. We'll see the first one, okay? So now let me share the screen. Postman. I'll just revise what we did till the last time. Share the screen. All right. So whenever you write a request, you have to save it. Then only this request will go. Always try to make sure this request you save it. Okay. Anyhow, I'm saving it now. Okay. Till yesterday, we had two collections. One is books collection, which has like just getting a book. So getting a client we haven't seen yet. I'll show you today how we'll get to this client part, and we'll do the post order. Book API test, we did a valid request here. Like let's say if we are running this, we had a script to validate it. Let's say the JSON dot. Whenever we say dot zero dot name, you remember this is an array. When you say zero, this is a zeroth object, and dot name has name, the Russian. This is how we were able to validate it. And also few requests also we did, Pulp Fiction, etc. Request API, we didn't complete it yet. Okay, let me delete this. So the first thing we'll see today is the post request. Okay, this is the post request. Yesterday, I think when the before the class ended, so I just gave a simple yopmail.com so that we can create any disposable email. Okay, that we'll see in a second. You guys tell what kind of an email you want. We can create email like anything with any name. Okay, let me go to yopmail.com. This is disposable email we always use for testing purposes. We can create n number of accounts, thousands of accounts. Okay, tell me any name, any one of you. Hello, you guys there?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. I know you'll say Kohli, but I think that would have been created. So let's say Virat Kohli, um, Rajesh, maybe Rajesh Fave, Virat Kohli, something like that. Okay, is it okay with Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I just have to create this mark, and our email is created. So Rajesh Fave, Virat Kohli. Now, let me copy this. Let me go here. So we have created a Yopmail, but we need something called token. What do you mean by token? For example, here, let me close this. Let me go to facebook.com, something like that. Or let's say Orange HRM, okay? So we have to just go to inspect. Let me go to network. So now we know it's admin 123, right? Let's say admin and admin 123. Let me click on login here. So if you see login, so this application will log in, but there should be something called temporary token. So we got username and password correct, then only we are able to log in here. Okay. So these are all the APIs which got generated. So let me go to here. This is the validate URL 302 found, that is redirect. So this is the index one, etc. We had. So unless and until this authentication didn't happen, right? Unless and until you didn't exactly right admin and password, this page will not go. Okay, let me write some random value, login. So this get failed, right? So we have to, you see, this has two perspective testing. This is front end testing, which is the Selenium. This is a back end testing. Okay, front end, back end. Just remember like that. So API testing, nothing but back end testing. We are seeing the back end of an website, how to test and all. So this is a front end testing. So how testing will do? Admin 123. So there is a authentication token sent here. Then only we will be getting this page. Till this point, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have understood till this point, then I have to make sure my Rajesh Fav Virat Kohli has the token. Then only in future what will happen? You always understand API keys, token keys. Token access tokens are really important. Okay. Now, if I just write here any mail ID, okay, any disposable mail ID, Gmail account, for anything you can create an access token. Okay. Now I have to do what? I have to just add here client email as Rajesh Virat Kohli. And here I'll just write Rajesh as the client name. Instead of writing this, we had something, right? Environmental URL slash API clients. Okay. What do you mean by API clients? This will give us a token. What kind of token? So that I can create an order. So getting an order is different. Means these are already there. Okay. Status is what? Okay. Okay. Then we were seeing orders or books, something like that. Okay. Let us see books. I don't want fiction books. Just let me write books. I was getting a number of books. No. Getting a books in this list means I have to post the server. You guys remember post? What did we have the analogy of a post? When I explained the analogy long back for post.
Creating a post in Instagram.
Instagram, right? See, the same thing. So consider this as a post one, okay? I have to create my own ID, own book, etc. For that, first I have to authenticate myself. Now, let us take this example, Rajesh client. Let me save this. Now, I'll just run it. Before running it, okay, I'll just run it, okay? You have to remember the body you have given as this client name and client email. With this client email, we'll have a token. Click on send. So there is a token generated, okay? Now, take this token, copy it, okay, let me put it in a environment. Let me go here, environment. I'll just write this environment token as this, save it. Okay, with this help of a token I can now create a book. Let me click on plus here. I'm going very slow, guys. You have to understand this first part. So creating a book, I just gave an example here how to create a book. Let me go 1 second, add an order. Okay, let me create an order. A second. Okay. Now I'll say what? I'll say Instead of API clients, I'll just put order. Order. Now, what will happen if I just put orders and get? It will show me all the orders. Yes or no? Body. Okay, I'll just remove this body. Okay, for this new client, I'll just click on send. It will show me orders. Okay, it will show me books. We'll take a book example. It will showing me books. Now, I want orders based on my account. For example, I have to do what? I have to post it. And I have to create orders here. And I have to mention in the body raw JSON what kind of order I have to add. Let me say, let me copy the same thing. Okay, let me add it here. So ID, this is a books, right, for orders, or let's say books we can add. Let's see for books if we can add. Instead of 1, I'll just give something called 90. I'll just write the name Russian instead of the name Russian. I'll just write Indian book, something like that. Its affection available is true. Okay, this is what I want to add. And also I have to make sure it is from my account, right? So I have to go here, authentication type, just like username and password, guys. Here we have n number of authentication. But here we'll use bearer token. This is standard token used all across the industry. We have something called oath token. We have something called basic token where we use username and password. We have something, n number of things are there, client secret and all we have to write. But we will not go that much deep. We'll see bearer token. It is standardly used. Now, this is a token what generated just a while ago. See, getting a token, we got this token generated. Now I'll copy this and I have to make sure this token is the same. See, already added in a environment variables. Now, let me click on send. See, 405. Okay, let us see on orders. If we are just trying for books, okay, let's see for orders. If I want to create an order, just I have to have few things, only 2 things here. I should have a book ID. Any book ID I can take. Since it's a Rajesh one, I'll write Rajesh name only. Okay. Let me write book as 1, comma. See, syntax you have to follow properly, guys. Then customer name equal to, here again I'll write Rajesh because it was his mail ID. Now you see here environment is the book api.click/orders. Let me click on send. So let me go to authorization, bearer token. Let me go to params or headers. 2 things you have to follow. You have to see the authorization. Go to authorization. Okay. Is it something called bearer? Wait, let me go to authorization. You have to get an authorization called bearer token and then the token. Here you have to follow the body should be proper. 1 customer name, open bracket, close bracket. Okay. Now let me click on send it again. Application JSON. It's a post method. We go to the client. Access token. Let me go here again. Authorization. Let me give again. Proper token. What we have saved in environment. Headers. Body. Okay, let me give the proper body. Book ID equal to 1, comma. We can give like this also, or customer name so you have to remember Rajesh. Okay. Now let's go to the body. Let me go to send. Invalid or missing customer name. Okay, I think it's the customer name. Huh? Consent. See, it got created. Okay, I just have to give proper column name, book ID, customer name. See, the order is created, order ID is created. Okay, so this is one, right? If I just create a request of getting an order of order 1, so let me copy this. Let me copy this. Get request /1. If I click on send here, again, I have to go to authorization, bear token. Okay, click on send. No order with 1. Okay, we just created, right? Okay, sorry. I have to give this. Click on send. See, the book ID is there. Customer name is Rajesh. Quantity 1 with the timestamp we got created. Understood till this point, guys? Only few things we did. Okay. So let me save this. Okay. So post request is little important to understand. Okay. First, let us go to this analogy orange HRM again. Only thing we are doing here, or any Amazon.com. Okay. Let us go to Amazon.com for you guys to understand more. Now, I got an iPhone here, iPhone 17. Okay. I haven't logged in yet. Imagine I'm a logged in user. So I'll take this. I'll do add to cart. Or let's say buy now. So, okay. It will ask you for the mobile number, but that's okay. When I click on add to cart or buy now, it is going to the cart, right? When I click on buy now, what will happen? It will be a order. Yes or no? You understood this flow? Amazon.com, Apple iPhone 17 Pro, 256 GB. You have added an order. It will go to your orders by your name, right? Whatever your name is. Let's say Pavitra is ordering iPhone 17. It will go to Pavitra's account. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, similar analogy, we are doing the same thing here. Okay. I'm doing what? I'm making sure I'm creating one login ID, right? Rajesh Fe Virat Kohli. So Rajesh Fe Virat Kohli wants to create an order. Exactly same iPhone 17. For that, first we have to have a client access token. This actually represents username and password in the backend. That is called access token. See, this is the client name, client ID. We don't give a password, we'll get an access token. So for Gmail, it is a different analogy. You have to go to Gmail, you have to get a token from there. Since this is a disposable email, you can create a token easily. That's the first thing we did. And to get a token, we have to use whatever the environment is, whatever the username is, /API clients. Give the username password, get the token. So now, go to that analogy again. So, Amazon, you are ordering what? iPhone 17 Pro. The same thing you have to order here by using your username password. What do you say? I have to go here. So, getting an order, right? So, order. I'll save this. Okay. So now, where is that order? Okay, now I have to order iPhone 17, the same thing, username and password, but I have to give my username and password. It is nothing but bearer token. You give your token and the body mention what exactly you want. You gave a request. So order is created. So here you have ordered iPhone 17. Now you have to go to orders. You have to see whether iPhone 17 is there or not. The same thing we have done here. We have given here a get request, search the order, search the order. Let me save this. Okay. And I'm searching with my email, with my token or orders. Okay. For example, it might have a number of orders, right? This guy might have a number of orders. iPhone 17, maybe iPhone 16, whatever he would have ordered. I want to save this, see only this order. I'll just search by order ID. The same thing I have done. If I remove this, I think token error might come. Okay. This is the only order available. Go to orders tab. Only order will be available. Okay. Again, you can do a number of orders. Okay. Okay. Let me, for example, you want to order a kettle, not like, let's say, what is the other thing which you want? Let's say I'm ordering the computer table. Okay. I'll do what again? Already creating of a client is over, right? I'll just write it here in the order. It's the order name. I'll write Rajesh instead of Rajesh Manju. Something I'll write here. Okay. Book ID. Let me give it as 2. Let me click on send. So the book is not in stock. Okay. Let me go to 3 something. Okay. It got created. Now I'll go to here. I'll just go to post. I'll search for an order. I have to give the same order ID. Instead of that, I just give send. So 2 orders should come up here. See, one is Rajesh and one is Manju. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyone want to try this? Anyone wants to share the screen? This is very, very, very important. Anyone would like to share the screen? We'll see a live example. Someone like to say share the screen? Pavitra, Rajesh, Dharni. Yes or no, guys?
Joined the mobile, sir. That's why.
You join mobile. Okay, others?
Yes, sir. Can I share, sir?
Yeah, sure, Pavitra. We'll do this a little example so that it will be easier for you guys to understand. Okay. We have Postman installed. Okay, good. So minimize this. So open an first. Let us create a Yopmail account. Okay. Open any. Open the browser. Go to yopmail.com. Okay. Create a simple disposable email. Thousands of email you can create. Just create a yopmail.com. Okay. Yopmail.com. That's one. Just click on it. Just create any random name. It should be there. Just type any random thing, whatever you like.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just click on say this one. Click on yes. Yes. So the name has been created. Now, first you go to your postman. Same analogy, okay? So Punarv Gowda is logging to Amazon. No, first create a collection. I'm telling you, first create a collection. So just make it separate, okay? Create a collection, blank collection. Just name the collection. Name the collection as create order collection, something like that. Order collection. Okay. First, you have to log in by your Punarv Gowda name. For that, you have to create an access token. Okay. I will give you the URL. Just try with that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll type in the chat. Give me a second. Okay, just add this. So double slash is okay. So copy it, go to the request and put it as a post request. Post. Don't paste it. Don't send. Don't send it. So before API client, there are two slash. Just remove one slash before API clients. Yes. Huh. In the body, you just write this. Your name, client name, you change it, and client email, you just write the email which you have created. I'll just send it in the, go to the body.
Yes, sir.
Okay, raw, go to raw.
Yes, sir.
Okay, JSON. Now, here you have to paste what I have given in the chat. So Yopmail, the specialty of Yopmail is you can create n number of emails, thousands per day, doesn't matter. It doesn't have the password. Anyone can open it. That's all. Okay. Just click on send. Okay. See, access token is generated. Now, copy this access token. Okay. Save it in the environment. Okay. You don't have an environment, just no issues. Double click on the order collection. Double click on the order collection. Order collection. Order collection you just created, right? Okay. Double click it. Here go to variables. Variables is there, no? On the top, not that. Overview authorization in the order middle tab. You have to come in the middle. Variables is there, right? Click
Yes,
on the
sir.
variable. Yes. Just type token in there in the add variable token. Just a value, just type it. Yeah, okay, that's finish. Now we'll see a second request. Now you have authenticated. Now you have to create an order. Now Pavitra is adding an order. Okay. For that, just create a. You have to go to the first request, new request. Just save this. Control S. Yeah. Just write a meaningful name. Always write a meaningful name. Client creation. Something just write. Client creation. Space creation. Okay, good. So next will also be a post order. It's a post order. Post. Just write creating order. Request will be creating order. Now add the same URL /orders. Go to the client creation. Copy the same thing.
URL.
URL. Entire URL. Instead of client API clients, write orders. Remove API client, just write orders. Now, as usual, orders are not there in your server. It's a local server. You have to create an order. Okay. Create maybe, I'm just giving you, just create an order like that. I'll give you the body, payload. This is a payload, you have to put it in the body. Again, it's a JSON file. You can add any name. Book 3 raw, go to raw, click on raw, JSON. Instead of Manju, you can write any name. You can write ID1, whatever it is. Try it. Good. Good. Click on send. See, authentication should be there. Okay. This way we have to understand. Go to authentication, authorization, third tab. Here, what do you have to select? Auth type. Good. Click on bearer token. Now here, enter the token. Double flower bracket. See your token, just click on token. Now click on send. It means that your login as Gowda, and then you are entering invalid or missing book ID. Go to the header body. Type 1, just C1. Let's see for 1. Because in order that book ID should be there. Click on enter. It was created. Now, this is your order ID, randomly created. Now save this. Give another request. give another request. As soon as you save it, you close it also. Okay. Now here you have to get the orders. The same URL you copy orders. It should be get request. Get an order. Get an order. Okay. Go to the second URL. Copy this and go to the get order. Save it and always remember authorization should be there. Authorization, because now you're searching orders in your account. Bearer token. That's it. Token is selected. Click on send. See orders there. Create one more order. Save this. Go back to a different previous request. Save it. Previous request creating order. Create one more order. Not client. This one, second one. Click on that. Create one more order. One more book ID. Two. I think it's not there. Okay, take 3 or 4, something like that. Okay. Click on send. Good. It's also created now. Get an order.
Now I should get 2 orders.
2 orders. Okay. You understood the post request, guys? So till yesterday we only saw get request. So post request, a client creation. Today we saw 2 topics: client creation and order creation. Understood, guys? Everyone? It's very, very important when you do automation. Okay. Automation, you have to take IDs. That I'll explain you how we can take an ID. Okay. Done, guys? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me share my screen. I think my screen should automatically be shared. Right now, good. What if I create one more order? Maybe 7. I don't know if the 7 is there or not. Let me name this Lakshmi Kant. Lakshmi. Okay. Now I want to save this and I want to put it in the environmental variables. Okay. See my environment. Where is my environment? Go to environment. Does it have token is there, but order ID is there? No, right? I want to save the order ID when it is created. For that, we have a simple test. See, one by one, I'm going. Very slowly, I'm going, guys. You have to understand very slowly. Just 1 second. See, go to remove this. So whatever order getting a client, we don't need, close it. Book status, we don't need, close it. Search in order, we need. Okay, or we have a search in order. So now, let me use something called scripts. Do you guys remember the scripts? Right? As soon as the order is created, no, I have to save this variable. Now, there should be something called PM dot. See, environment is there. Dot. There should be something called set. See, already the order ID you have to save PM response or JSON dot order ID. Just click on tab. Did you guys understand this? PM. Think PM as a system.out.println is there. No, system main object, a class. Whenever it's environment, it says go to the environment, set the order ID, whatever you're getting in the response. Understood this or not? Do you want me to tell once again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. So think PM is a guy which has all the methods equivalent to the class in Java. Whenever you create a class, when you put dot, it has method. Whenever you create a string object, it has methods. So when you say PM dot environment or PM dot test, when you say PM dot test, it's a test case. PM dot environment means take an environment, whatever the environment is there, set, which is already selected. Environment should be selected. Set an order ID, exact order ID. Yes. PM means PM dot response, which is a JSON format. So is it a JSON or not?
Yes, sir.
So the response, is this a response or request?
Response.
Response.
Take the entire JSON on, then take a order ID, which is basically this one. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Let me click on send. Invalid book ID. Okay, good. So let me take something called, I don't know, 8. Something. I should be there. Okay. 8 is also not there. Let us go for 4. Wait. Fingers crossed. See? It created. 4 is there. Now, I have to see whether this should be there in my environment. So go to environment. Click on double click here. Did it set the environment to this ID?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So I don't have to copy this, right? I created and I have this, basically a simple script has saved the response. What are the response it is? ABCD 1 2 3 or Pavitra 1 2 3, Rajesh 1 2 3, whatever it is. It just saved to environment. Now, can I search the order? You tell me by yesterday's example, the order I just created, how do I search it?
By using ID?
Yes, but how the URL would look like?
Order ID, it's saved in environment. Can we
Yes.
use that one?
What do you want to use? Like this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's go. Slash. I'm getting order ready.
Yes, sir.
Can I search now? Easy, understandable. So in future, if I create an order, let's say one more. Okay, one more order ID created. So can I search that order? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It's very dynamic. Yes or no? So this is called dynamic JSON validation. So I want to take a ID. I will give this order ID. I saved it here. Post response, after the response is created. So pre-request is something called authorization and number of things, but pre-request is not that important. Post response is important because we are validating our JSON. Understood till this point?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Go on.
So while after order, we are using that order ID saved in that environmental variables, right? So whatever we are saving it in the last, only that will get come, no, sir?
Yes, that will come. So if you go to book ID, there should be 2 orders. See, whatever the order it is replaced. Before order, okay, let me go once again. So this one is saved in the order ID as a field. If you go to here, order ID field is only one, right? So it should be this one. So no
Okay.
matter how many times we enter, so if the new token is generated, okay, let me go to the client creation. So if the client is created once, the access token is already created once, right? If we
Yes, sir.
click on send again, it will show conflict because access token will already be one only. It won't be more. For example, let me create since you asked, let me create simple Rajesh Fav Virat Kohli, something like one more I gotta create, okay? Rajesh Favs Virat Kohli. Okay. Let me copy this. Let me go here. Now, can I save this as token? Whatever token I get, can I add a script? Tell me how to add script. PM
PM
dot
dot environment
dot
set
set dot. See, it is giving order ID something like this, okay? But we don't want order ID. It is something called access token. And this should be PM dot response dot JSON dot access token. I believe it is access token only. Just let me see first. I think it should be access token only. 1 second. It is capital T. Okay. So this should be access token, but this will be our environmental name. So if I go here, we have saved something called token. So copy this. Let me go back to getting a client. Okay. I want to save in token as pm.response.json.access token. Okay. Now, one more thing. Where is the other one? Where has it? Okay. See, order ID, and it is not in an array. So there is no need for 0, 1. If this was an array, it should be like pm.response dot data of 0.json dot order ID. But that's okay. So, okay, Rajesh faves Virat Kohli. So I've written a script. Now, see here, I click on send. Now, EE112, go to environment. EE112 saved.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we'll go one step further since you have asked. Okay. So access token already is there. E112. So click on send. No order with this ID. Okay. We'll see. Okay, where is the body? I don't know why body. Okay, raw. Okay. Sorry, we have to get an order, right? We have to go to this order. Wait. Click on send, but authorization you see. Click on send here. So one more is created. IT0 something. Now let me save search and order. So when you go here order ID, IT0 something should come. Click on send. Order is created. Lakshmi. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you understood, right? We didn't do anything. We saved everything in the environment. So we just have to send. That environment has all the variables. Got it? Tough, easy to understand.
So, like if you are having like 2 or 3 tokens, we want to get like the first token created or the second, then we cannot use this one, right?
Okay, we'll go to same logic. Again, your logic will tell. In one time, how many people can log into Amazon?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, let's say Dharni, you're ordering iPhone 17. Okay, how many logins you can all log in at one time?
Only one.
One, right?
Yeah.
If we have different browser, another login. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, imagine the same thing. So at a time, if you're ordering only one token, if you want to order in another client, we have to take another token. So other token will be again getting a client. So whatever token is present, right? Whatever token we have got, the same token we have to use for order and search order. If you're using another token, this orders, like let's say search. Let me add one more example. Okay, search all orders. Something I'll just write copy here. Instead of one order ID, I'll just search everything. Authorization is missing. Go to here, bear token. Token is there. Click on send. See, with this one token, we created only one order.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At one time, we can use one access ID, access token only. This is also very helpful in automation. How? So randomly, we can create n number of, random number, right? Generation of a random number. So in Java, we can generate random number like math dot equation we can do, or any other language. Let's say Rajesh, Fev, Virat Kohli 1. First time we have created. Second day it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Third time will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Fourth time will always the access token changes. So our automation also will be in a favorable situation. At one time, one access token. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So search all orders. So always make sure you write a valid name. See, understand, is getting a status. If not, we'll change the name. Okay, getting a API status. It was before. So getting all books. Okay, getting all books. Getting a client or creating a client, creating an order, search an order, search all orders. Any doubt until what you have discussed?
So now, like, if I want to search for like a first ID created for Rajesh,
Okay.
how can I search all the orders in that?
So we have to go to the Rajesh access token again. Did we save Rajesh access token?
I don't think so.
Then we can't. We have to save that also. So we'll do one thing. Okay. Let me go here. Let me save this token. Okay. For the time being, let me save this token. Let me create another client. So imagine only this order is there in the other client. Okay. Let me see some other, let's say body. So Rajesh 45 something Virat Kohli. I'm just creating. Now this one is created. Now save it. Go to the order. I'll create one order. One order is created. Okay. Search the order. Can I search the order? Yes. Now, if I want to search a previous order, so we have to go to environments. So we have to change the token. It is just like, so Pavitra has ordered. This is Pavitra's token. Pavitra user and password. So I want to see what Dharni has ordered. Just go back, delete, paste it here. Now, order ID. Okay, let's not go to that. Okay, I want to see what and all orders are there with that guys. Okay, search all orders. Got it? This was created by previous token, not the current token. You understood?
Yes, sir.
If you want to see what you have ordered in current token, go to here, copy this access ID, go to the environments. Okay, go to search all orders. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the guys, Pavitra, Rajesh, Shilpa, Lakshmikant, understanding guys, Manju.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now I'll take 10 more minutes. Okay. I wanted to explain today's topic. It's very, very important. Okay. So now I just want you to understand how we can read a particular JSON. So let us keep the search all order. Okay. Let me go to raw. I'll just write one simple JSON. You tell me how I can read it. Okay. Let me go. So you don't have to understand the JavaScript functionality, okay? Just you have to understand. So don't worry about this. What are the scripts I write, right? For example, I wrote here somewhere one script. Okay. Maybe I wrote here. Okay. You don't have to worry about this, okay? Since you have learned Java, Java is the biggest thing. Don't worry. You think this is a class, all the objects in a class. Now, we have to just only understand few things, which is JSON object. Let's say I'm creating something called JSON data as an object. Okay, object will always be in open bracket, close bracket. Now, I'll create something called an array. So I'll create a data array. It should be in a colon, open bracket, close bracket, and here I'll just write, let's say ID equal to, let's say first name, I'll give Shailu. Shailu is in the call. Okay, Shilpa, sorry. So I remember Shailu from a different class, right? So Shilpa I'll take. Instead of ID, I'll just write name. First object. Now, second object I'll write name as, instead of Lakshmi, I'll write Dharni. Okay. Now, how can I make sure that the name is equal to Shilpa? First name is Shilpa, second name is Dharni. Now tell me the syntax, how I can read it. Any idea how we can read it? Any one of you? This is a data is array, okay? JSON data is a main JSON file. So as soon as you write a semicolon at the end to terminate the JSON. Tell me how I can read it. It's easy only. This is a array. One more we'll see, which is a pure objects of JSON.
Date of 0 name dot equal Shilpa, something like that.
Okay. So for that, I'll just write a test. Okay. This is a script. Okay. Something I'll just write. I'll just put here. Check if the body contains correct data. Enter. Semicolon. Okay. So don't worry about this and all. Okay. So now I enter here. Now PM dot expect. Now, first thing you have to understand, this is a JSON file or JSON data. First, we have to copy this dot. When I just put dot, it has to get a number. See, data is there, expect is JSON data, something is there. So when I put dot, you have to come down. What is there inside? Data is there. After that, name is there, name is there. But what is the first thing that is there in JSON data?
Data.
Data. Now, I have to write data here. Now, go down. So, this is an array, right? This bracket, you understand, right? Remember how you write int a equal to new int of square brackets of 5. 5 is the size. Okay, you don't remember? Okay, I'll just write it down here. So int square bracket a equal to new int of 5. What is the square bracket represents?
Array.
Array, right? So take the JSON as same example. JSONs are very important, guys, in API testing. See, this is an array. What is this now?
First element in the array.
First element. What is this?
Second element.
Okay, I want to get Dharni. How will get? You tell me from this point to this point.
JSON dot data of 1 dot name equals Dharni.
Not equals. I just want Dharni as an outcome. How will get? Tell me again.
So date of 1.
No. From beginning you tell.
JSON dot data of inside square brackets, I think we should give 1.
So inside square bracket 1, I can understand that is for primitive data types. This is an object. How will treat you an object? How you will treat an object? This is an array, Baba. This is an object. You said JSON data dot data of 0 or 1?
Of 1, sir.
1 dot
Name.
name. That's it. Good. See, it's okay. You guys are trying. That is more important. Now, after just 1 dot name to equal Dharni. Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if it equals Dharni only, it will pass. So we'll see the test results. The body will be same. Okay. I'll just write it here. Doesn't matter. Check if the response contains code passed. Now, if I write this as Shilpa, will it pass?
No.
See, expected Dharni to equal Shilpa. So this is nothing but Dharni here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so let me write one more. Okay. So after you have to give comma always. Now it is a data to okay. Hmm. Okay. Now I'm not confusing you guys. So I'm having a proper indentation for you guys to follow. Okay. Understand what I'm doing here. Okay. Just to follow that and type and understand what I'm trying to do. So here I have like Pavitra. Now I want Pavitra now. How do I get it? Okay, let me expand this for you guys to see. Now I want Pavitra. How do I get Pavitra here?
PM dot expect JSON data dot data two of
Data
2 of 1 dot name 2 equals Pavitra.
data 1 array starts from
0 0.
okay 0. So let's see Shilpa. We'll see with Shilpa what it will say. Now see Pavitra it got to Shilpa. So understood, easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this was an array. Okay. Let us see one more example. Let us see in objects. Objects also you have to. It is very easy. Just understand that also. Then we'll stop the class. Okay. Data 2. Always it should end with a semicolon. It should not be a colon. First, it should be equal to. Okay. Inside equal to, I'll just write. Let's say I've created one order. So order is the ID. Everything should be in double quotes. Okay. Order is nothing but we have first order. First order. Let me write in double quotes or single quotes. Also not an issue. It's a number, right? And I'll just write product as iPhone 17. Now, iPhone 17 has comma. iPhone 17 has specifications. Let's say what is specification for the product? Specifications. Everything should be in double quotes, guys. Specifications and specification again. I want to write a object. Now, sorry. It should be cool. No. Color is black. Storage is this one, etc. Wait, is not. It should be colon. Now, I want to see my iPhone 17 storage. How do I see it? How do I get it? I'll copy this. Okay. Now you tell me how do I get to storage? Check the storage. Tell me how to get the storage.
PM dot expect JSON data 2
To
dot order
Order, okay. Okay.
order of order of 2.
Okay, so again, you have to understand there is no of here. Imagine this is a list, it's a collection, okay? Imagine like that. This is arrays. So with
Yes.
collections, of two will come. Of means
No.
square bracket again. No, right? So you tell me how I can do it. JSON to order, then what?
Order dot specifications.
See, that's important. When I just put dot, we should get specifications. Now, afterwards, specifications, I want
Specifications
storage.
of 1. Now it's an array, right?
Is this array symbol?
No, sir.
Then
So specifications dot storage
dot storage equals 128 GB. Let me copy this. Let me save here. Let me run it. Got? Just the storage is passed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here I can do one more thing. Here I write data. Okay, here I write comma. Now, so in the iPhone, I have like something called AI version. AI version is, let's say, the latest one, what, 34, something like that. And afterwards, I have model iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Max, something like that. Now, tell me how do I reach the model here from the beginning? How do I reach the model?
So PM dot response.
PM dot response and response. Expect to.
Expect.
Right, you tell me this one only. From here you tell.
JSON data 2 of order specifications.
Order of will not come. JSON data to dot order. Good. Then
Order dot specifications.
okay.
And
Tell. Yeah, whatever you guys feel. No rush. Okay. No issues. Just we'll see how we can understand.
specifications dot data
Dot data. Then
dot model.
dot model. What is this?
That's an array.
Then you tell me how will come.
Data of 1.
1.
One now. How many elements are there here?
2, sir. So if we want model, then
No, no, no. See, array, how many elements are there in array?
1 element.
One element. See, consider this is one. No matter thousands of there inside, doesn't matter. This flower bracket opening, closing is a one element. Now tell me, data of?
Data of 0.
0.
Dot
Dot model.
model.
Dot model. Okay, let's see. It should come iPhone 17 Max. Let it run. Okay, we want to see. See iPhone 17 Pro Max. It came properly from here. Easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll just copy this one. So, any doubts in today's session? I know I went a little further. I had one more thing to discuss. I'll discuss tomorrow. No issues. I wanted to discuss schema. So, reading a JSON is very, very, very important in API testing, guys. You have to make sure whatever the data you get, no matter what, you have to read the entire JSON. Okay. Any doubts in this point? So today we discussed getting a client, order, search order, response orders. Then we also discuss how we can dynamically use this JSON. Last but not least, we discuss how do we read an array. How do we read a nested JSON normal? How do we read nested JSON with arrays? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Any doubts from you guys? Anyone? Any doubts?
Sir, in the last class, you said that how to get a response while having two parameters, right?
How to get two parameters, huh?
Like book genre is equal, type is equal to fiction, and maybe like book name is equal to like using two
Oh,
parameters.
you okay. Good. So we had this discussion. No, where is this one, right? Type fiction. So here, so and we're telling,
Yes, sir.
okay, just 1 second. This is type I think name we had, no? Name equal to the space we were not counting. Okay. Parameters with name. Let's see. We can get an ID. Okay, let's take an ID. Because ID is only one, no? We were getting so fiction or 4. Usually it should work. I don't know why it is not working here. Okay, let me check on this. Okay, I think parameter should have come 2. ID is 3. It's taking a type. Let us go to our book orders. Body, let's go to body. We already had orders. Req, res. Okay, tomorrow let me check on. Already, I think it's already time for you guys. So tomorrow the first thing is ping me, Dharni, or just remind me about this double creation, right? If it's not working here, it should definitely work in any other. This is how we actually search it. That's good. Let me search on this, okay?
Yes,
Apart from
sir.
that, any question, guys? That's it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Then we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see this. First thing we'll discuss the multi parameters, how to do a filtering of it. Let me check on that, okay? Okay, guys, bye bye. Let's meet tomorrow 9:30. Okay, stop the recording.